Plant profile: Calamintha. Calamintha is a low-growing bushy perennial that prefers full sun and well-drained soils. Once established, it is extremely drought-tolerant. It is a member of the mint family. It resembles catmint, and the Latin epithet nepeta and common name Calamint leads to some confusion between the two plants. It has a long bloom period, typically from June up to a hard frost. Calamintha's flowers are loved by pollinators and detested by deer. It does well in rock gardens, at border edges, and in containers. An ideal situation for Calamintha is planted under and among roses, where it creates fluffy underskirts around the bare lower rose canes. Think of it as a great smelling replacement for baby's breath. Two Calamintha varieties that I recommend are White Cloud and Montrose White. The latter is sterile and won't reseed. It is maintenance-free beyond cutting it back in late fall or early spring. Try a Calamintha in your garden today. You can grow that.